Hey there, I'm Tricia Morris. Let's take a look at the latest Mediterranean card kit from Club Scrap. You get two of these beautiful tile prints included in your box, along with a series of plain sheets of paper that coordinate. So we've got the two beautiful bright blue here, two kind of sunshiny yellow, two pieces of gold, and these are all 80-pound cover weight, by the way, and then two of this yellow gold color. And then in addition, if you don't like to stamp when you make handmade cards, you don't have to. With Club Scrap, we've got 2 sheets of printed Cutaparts to help you complete your cards both inside and out. You'll receive 2 yards of this really beautiful white satin with a gold metallic woven edge, a yard of this bright yellow grosgrain satin combination, and then a full yard of this beautiful 5/8 inch taffeta ribbon. You'll get 4 of these cool square tags, and then a series of 4 of these paper thin tile embellishments. Lastly, you'll also receive an entire roll of this really cool lemon washi tape. Since we're making 12 cards, we're also including 4 each or 3 different sizes of the appropriate envelopes for you. If you follow along with my printable instructions and the workshop video, I'll walk you through the trimming and preparation of all of those papers that I showed you to make these cool cards. And the first set of 4 will be just a basic single fold card to get you warmed up. We're using that washi tape and some of those ribbon embellishments on these 4 cards. We've got 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. For the next set of 4 cards will be this split flap style with almost like a belt buckle that highlights the tag and then some of the ribbon, and then the sentiment will be on the inside. We'll be including some birthday cards and also some thinking of you. To complete your learning adventure with me, we'll be making a 5x7 never-ending card, and you can see how this features that really cool tile embellishment. But with the never-ending card, you just open it, and you open it again, and you open it again, and you open it again. So that takes you right back to where you started. So all 4 of these cards have different sentiments in them that are going to be really fun for the recipient. I hope you consider a membership to Club Scrap's card kit and start it this month with the Mediterranean collection. I look forward to seeing you in class.